20 metres out, and then Louise Watkin found that telling extra bit of pace there in the last 5 minutes to win in 29.66. Sarah Gascon-Moreno taking the silver, and Claire Cashmore coming home for Great Britain in the bronze medal.
Some mystic character there. And Graham's back with Stephen Prime, Monday night, 11:05.
Good steal from Will James. Now Watkins lost the work from here. Nick Wood sets up.
Leicester welcome back Aaron Major and Johnny Murphy to their back line.
Out to Freddie Burns, and that's great balance from the play half and a drop goal to start the second half. Good take from Ben Kay, MBE. And we'll get the penalty as well. He's leaving Gloucester being penalised by Sean Davey.
So you know there'll be no more questioning of my orders. Respectfully, sir, I've only tried to interpret your intent to the best of my ability. Captain, sir. Here comes the warrior on our team. Outstanding work last night taking down that EPW. Just doing my job. Looks like you put up quite a fight.
A fight like that tells me that the company took in a high-value asset. He did not want to surrender.
You have that action report?
Sergeant Cook is bringing it.
Well, your platoon's been busy shooting civilians at roadblocks. Bravo 3 was taking in live prisoners. I heard. Good work, Dave. It would be handy if we write your platoon up for a commendation.
Sergeant, your EPW put up quite a struggle. Good thing your CO was there.
If you want to believe that, sir, what was the reason for this meeting? Right. Battalion says we're moving on.
That's ASAP, Lieutenant.
Lieutenant, I was about to... Yeah, but no. At the right time.
Ultra, the most powerful Duracell alkaline ever. Duracell Ultra, the power to do more. If you could see flu germs, you'd see how easy it is to pass flu from person to person. Flu viruses can live on hard surfaces for several hours, making it easy to spread. To prevent the spread of flu, catch it in the clean tissue, bin it and kill it by washing your hands or using a sanitizer gel. Flu. Protect yourself and others.
This is Nation 2. 3 CDs and exclusive